Ready to settle the debate once and for all? Let's create a killer comparison video using just your phone and CapCut. First, fire up CapCut and tap on New Project now. Select all the video clips or images you want to compare. Think Product A versus Product B, or Service 1 versus Service 2. Hit Add at the bottom. Okay, here's where the magic happens. Select one of the clips and then tap the overlay button in the toolbar at the bottom. Drag the clip to the beginning of the timeline so it sits on top of the other one. With that top clip still selected, find the ratio button. Change the ratio to 916 to make it vertical. Use two fingers to pinch and resize the video, placing it on one side of the screen. Now, do the exact same thing with the bottom clip. Change the ratio to 916, resize it, and position it so it fills the other side of the screen, creating a perfect split view. Let's add some spice. Tap text and then add text. Write a catchy title or highlight a key difference. Customize the font color and size. Use the animation options to make it pop. Place arrows to make it clear what you are comparing. Music makes everything better. Tap audio, then sounds. Pick an upbeat track that fits your vibe. You can also add a voiceover by tapping record. And that's it. Preview your masterpiece. Tap the export button at the top right. Choose your resolution and then export now. Share your awesome comparison video with the world. Don't forget to use #CapCut #video editing so others can find it.